Right, this genuinely sounds like science fiction, but it actually happened. During a test, an AI was placed inside a secured sandbox, basically a digital prison. It was asked to escape, so it did, but then it kept going. It built a multi-step exploit to get full internet access, found the researcher's email address, and sent them a message to show what it had done. The researcher was eating a sandwich in the park at the time. Then, unprompted, it posted the exploit details to public websites. Okay, so what is this AI? It's called Claude Mythos Preview, and it's Anthropic's most capable model ever built. So powerful, in fact, that they've refused to release it to the public. They built it to be smart at coding and reasoning, but during testing, it turned out so dangerously good at finding software vulnerabilities, they made the call to lock it down completely. Instead, they're handing it to a small group of trusted companies through something called Project Glasswing. Now, let me give you the comparison that genuinely shocked me. In a Firefox security test, the previous flagship model, Claude Opus, managed to turn discovered vulnerabilities into working exploits twice across hundreds of attempts. Mythos did it 181 times. That's not an upgrade, that's a different species. And it's already found thousands of previously unknown security flaws across every major operating system and every major web browser on the planet. Now here's where it gets clever. Project Glasswing is Anthropic's plan to use this incredibly dangerous tool for good before bad actors catch up. They've given access to 12 launch partners, including Apple, Google, Microsoft, AWS, Cisco, Nvidia, and JP Morgan Chase, plus over 40 other critical infrastructure organizations. These companies are using Mythos to find and patch vulnerabilities in the software billions of people rely on before anyone else can exploit them. So why does this matter to you? Because the era of AI-powered cyber attacks just officially started. Anthropic estimate that similar capabilities will appear in other AI labs within 6 to 18 months. OpenAI reportedly already has a comparable model in development. So whether you run a business, write code, or just use the internet, the security landscape is about to change fundamentally, and the companies preparing now are the only ones who'll be ready. Now look, I'll be straight with you. Some experts are saying this is partly a clever PR play by Anthropic, and they have a point. The model gets enormous attention precisely because you can't have it. But other experts, including respected security researchers like Bruce Schneier, agree that underlying capability is genuinely real. This is the first time an AI lab has held back a model purely on safety grounds. That alone tells you we've hit a real inflection point. Right, so what's the actual takeaway? Even though you can't use Mythos directly, the implications hit everyone. Software you depend on is being hardened right now. Future Claude models will inherit safer versions of these capabilities, and the gap between people who understand AI and people who don't just got way wider. If you want to stay ahead, this is the moment to get serious about how AI is changing not just productivity, but the whole digital world. So there it is, the most powerful AI ever built, locked away because it's too dangerous to share. If you want me to do a deeper breakdown of the full Project Glasswing story and what it means for your business, drop the word Mythos in the comments below. Hit subscribe because next week I'm covering exactly how to prepare your business for AI-powered security threats, and you absolutely don't want to miss it. See you in the next one.
Tapping, what's good? We in the feed for the real ones. Same face, new clip. Fresh take, clean run. Tom's AI insights. Think smarter, build faster.